All right, so if you've been hearing about Perplexity AI and wondering how people are actually making money with it in 2026, yeah, this is for you. I'll show you a few simple but real methods you can start using right away. No complicated stuff. First, quick idea. Perplexity is kind of like a smarter search engine. It doesn't just give links, it gives you direct answers, summaries, and even sources you can trust. So, yeah, it saves a lot of time, especially if you're doing research heavy work. Now, one of the easiest ways to start freelance research. People on Fiverr or Upwork are constantly looking for someone to gather information, summarize topics, or even validate data. And you can use Perplexity to do all of that way faster and more efficiently. Next, content creation. You can use it to generate blog ideas, YouTube scripts, social media posts. I mean, even full outlines. Then you either post that content yourself or sell it as a service to clients. Another solid method, affiliate marketing. You can research trending products, comparisons, and buyer guides, then create helpful content around them and include your affiliate links to earn commissions. You can also turn your research into digital products, things like ebooks, simple guides, or niche reports. People are always willing to pay for well-organized information that saves them time. And this one's kind of underrated, newsletters. You pick a niche, stay updated using Perplexity, and consistently share useful insights. Over time, you build an audience. And yeah, you can monetize that with ads or subscriptions. And once you understand how everything works, you can start combining tools to automate your workflow. So you're not doing everything manually, and you can actually scale this into something bigger. So yeah, it's not just a search tool, it's something you can actually turn into income if you use it the right way. Start small, stay consistent, and just keep improving as you go. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.